A compound on treatment with NaOH followed by addition of AgNO3 produces white precipitate at room temperature. The precipitate is soluble in NH4OH. The compound is. So what is the compound formed? First, let us take vinyl chloride. What is vinyl chloride? That is, it is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon. So C, chlorine is attached to a, this is sp2 hybridized carbon. See, you have a double bond, so it is sp2 hybridized carbon. See here in the sp2 hybridized carbon, this Cl is in conjugation with the double bond. The Cl is in conjugation with the double bond. That means what? Resonance will be taking place and it is very difficult to break the bond. So it is very difficult to break the bond. It is very difficult. So it will not react with NaOH to give alcohol. That means Cl will not be substituted to OH because of the presence of sp2 hybridized carbon. And same in the case of chlorobenzene. What is chlorobenzene? Here chlorine is directly attached to the benzene ring. Here also this chlorine is conjugation with the double bond. So it is very difficult to break this bond. It will not react with NaOH. So what happens? This chlorine will not be replaced by OH. So these two will not react with NaOH. Then moving to benzyl chloride. So benzyl chloride is C6H5CH2Cl. See here this chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. It is easy to break the bond. So it reacts with NaOH followed by AgNO3. So what happens? C6H5, it forms benzyl alcohol and it forms a AgCl precipitate. So AgCl is white precipitate. This white precipitate will be soluble in NH4OH. So it is benzyl chloride. Take in the case of ethyl bromide is CH3CH2Br. So this Br is also attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. It will also react with NaOH followed by AgNO3. Here it forms ethyl alcohol. Then it forms AgBr. This is yellow precipitate. So our question is it forms white precipitate. So it is sparingly soluble or it is insoluble in NH4OH. So this is benzyl alcohol and this is ethyl alcohol. AgBr is an yellow precipitate. The AgBr is an yellow precipitate which is insoluble in NH4OH. Here AgCl is white precipitate which is soluble in NH4OH. So our answer is benzyl chloride.